Have you heard about that friend from school who moved to London or got a job in Canada and wished that you could do the same? Well, if you have an Australian passport and you're aged between 18 and 35, you absolutely can. You just need to get a working holiday visa. Now, this is perfect if you want to travel overseas for an extended period and experience what it's really like to live in another country. With a working holiday visa, you can live in another country, usually for up to a year, but in some cases, even up to 2 or 3 years. You get the right to work in that country to help fund your trip. And a lot of Australians get jobs in bars, restaurants or hotels, even ski resorts. But there's lots of other jobs you could do as well. You can usually study for a few months in that country as well, which could be great if, for example, you want to learn another language or do a short course. And while your visa is valid, you're free to leave and re-enter that country as often as you like. So for example, if you were doing a working holiday in the UK, you could spend your days off exploring other parts of Europe. Now, I've personally done working holidays in 4 European countries, and I could not recommend the experience enough. You'll really get a feel for the destination, you get to learn a lot, make new friends, and of course gain valuable career experience that you can take with you for the rest of your life, working with other cultures and with people from different backgrounds as well. Now, in total, Australia has working holiday visa agreements with almost 50 countries, which, by the way, is absolutely insane, and it's such a great opportunity if you are Australian. The requirements to apply for a working holiday visa vary from country to country, but in general, you need to have an Australian passport. You need to be aged between 18 and either 30 or 35, depending on the country. You need to have enough savings to buy a plane ticket to where you want to go and to support yourself for the first few months there until you find a job. And you might need to have travel insurance. Depending on the country, you might also need to have studied at university for at least 2 years and to speak the local language at least a basic level. But these aren't required for the most popular countries like the UK or France, Canada, or Germany, for example. You can't take children with you on a working holiday visa, and you also can't do a working holiday twice in the same country. But if you have already done a working holiday somewhere, there's nothing stopping you from applying for another working holiday visa in a different country as long as you meet the requirements. Want to learn more? Well, you've definitely come to the right place. Working Holidays for Aussies has comprehensive guides on all of the working holiday visas available to Australians, as well as lots of tips to help you with your move abroad. Head to workingholiday.au to get started, or browse our YouTube channel to learn more about all of the countries that offer working holiday visas to Australians. Happy travels!